Hey guys, welcome to the new session of Go programming language by developer Gurukul. So in our last video, we install Go on Windows and Mac machine, and in this tutorial we will write our first simple hello world program. Though it will be a teeny program, but we will learn a lot of basic things. So guys, here I am using VS Code to develop our applications. We can use Golang, Sublime, Atom. If you remember, while installing Go, we have created a folder called Go, and inside that we have created three subfolders called package, src and bin. So inside src we will write all our program. So guys, let's start. First we have to create a folder here called hello world, and inside that we will create a simple program. We'll create a file called main.go, and first we will write package main, then we'll write import format fmt, then we will write a function called main, and then we will write format fmt dot println welcome to the course. And guys, we wrote our small teeny simple applications in Go. Now we have to run the applications, so we have to write go run and file name, that is main.go. Here we go. Welcome to the course. Guys, we successfully wrote our first applications. So in the next video we will discuss each and every line what we wrote, and I will promise you we will learn a lot of basic things. Why we are creating package main, what is the use of import, what is func keyword, what is the use of function, and what is main, everything. So guys, stay tuned to this channel to learn a lot of courses. So guys, I will see you in the next video.